US30 and US100, as I explained and shared in my weekly analysis the day before, 28 500 600 zone should provide a support to US30 and 10 840 levels to provide a support to US100. Precisely, it has achieved those levels, failed to sustain, now trying to trade with a rise. But does that mean that we have seen the bottom and we are looking for bullish moves? Should you buy here or should you remain in a bearish position? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. And before I come up with my next analysis before the US cash session, press the bell icon. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. First we'll look into US100 followed with US30. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully and do note down the levels there. Now let's have a look at the hourly chart. Now look at the hourly charts on US100. Clearly lower highs are seen. Once it trades past 10,970, you can buy there. Expect 11,000 and then beyond that it is going to fly high. So do not trade till the time it trades below 10,970. Yes, beyond that also you can expect 11,000 as the resistance, and beyond that we may see it flying high. Yes, it can show you bullishness. The directional movement was extremely bearish. It is trying to converge here. The stochastic was oversold, trying to come out of the oversold zone. The MACD was bearish, trying to converge here. The RSI was oversold, trying to bounce back. So indicators are towards a little bounce, but how far, that we need to check. The 2-hour charts likewise, lower highs, flat bottom, and yes, if you see it trading above this zone at 10,970, you can expect 11,000 as a major resistance. Beyond 11,000, certainly one can remain long. 11,100 is something we are looking forward to, 11,120 levels, and beyond that it will fly for 11,200, 220 levels. Directional movement is bearish, it may try to converge. Stochastic has seen the oversold levels, trying to come out of the oversold zone. The MACD is trying to trade bearish and trying to come out of the oversold zone. It may try to converge here. The RSI is also oversold, trying to come out of the oversold zone. So indicators are indicating the same. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, do not forget that it is giving you lower highs. The next candle will decide its direction if the next candle takes it on the other ways. If the next candle takes it below 10,920, certainly that is a time below which you can again take a short entry. Remember, every move has a meaning. Yes, it was trading outside Bollinger Bands. It has got a pullback here, and the next candle, if it tries to trade below 10,920, you can again remain short there. At the same time, 11,000 levels should be good level, beyond which definitely we can expect more bullishness. The 3-hour charts indicating bearishness there. It is divergent. It is oversold, and hence it may try to look for a pullout. The MACD is divergent and bearish. The RSI is looking downwards. On the 4-hour charts, certainly the same is the indication. Yes, it has seen a good drop, and if it tries to trade below 11,000, now you can take the 11,000 levels as the trade as the stop loss, and beyond 11,000 levels only one can consider that it is trying to act bullish. 11,080, then you should watch out for. Beyond that it will fly high. Directional movement is extremely divergent and bearish. Stochastic is extremely oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is trading at bottom. And if you look at the daily charts, likewise on the daily charts, it is trying to show you a bounce from here. Only buy position is today is above 11,000. Certainly above 11,000. Be careful of 11,100 and 140 levels. And yes, it can try to trade between 11,140, 10,840. Very strong swing zone. The directional movement is yet again divergent and bearish. We have to be cautious of this. Stochastic is oversold. Remember, it can trade oversold for days. Do not think that it is trying to act bullish unless it is trying to show you a vertical reversal. The MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is oversold. Considering this, yes, you can buy there at 11,000 and sell there at 10,920. Below 10,920, again I will be looking forward to 10,840 levels. Very strong support, and then 10,800. We talked about these two levels. If it breaks below 10,800, it will call for more bearishness. Above 11,000, certainly 11,080, 11,140. You should watch out for 11,140. And yes, you should mark out a larger swing zone between 10,840 and 11,140. Beyond 11,140, we can look forward to 11,220, and beyond that, it will fly high for 11,300, the strongest resistance. Yes, there could be a stronger swing today. You have to trade with caution. You have to trade with a strict stop loss, and yes, you have to always keep shifting your stop loss to your entry price and then put a trailing stop loss. That is the best practice, such that in case if it tries to reverse, your trade closes in profits. So do not trade between 10,920 and 11,000 levels for the day. In fact, watch out for 10,840 and 10,800 on the downside. Below that only you can expect little more bearishness. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. And yes, let's start with Dow Jones. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, identifying the trades, taking right entries and right exits at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch. The 15th batch is starting today. The 16th batch will be starting in the first week of November. You can book your seats from now itself, so that you can confirm your bookings. As many have missed this booking this time, you can still be part of it. So also, if you want to trade just as per the signals, you can join my signals group on Telegram, else become a patron and support the effort. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training query. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts of US30. Lower highs are certainly seen, and yes, if you see it trading about 28.50 with the next candle, you can certainly buy there. Then 28,920, 29,000 levels can be expected. At the same time, yes, do not consider this as reversal unless and until it trades beyond 28,920 levels. The directional movement was bearish. It is trying to converge a little. Stochastic was oversold, trying to come out of the oversold zone. The MACD is bearish and it is willing to converge crossover. Let's see if it does. RSI bouncing back from the bottom. Similar is the story on the 2-hour charts. Lower highs, consider it for a breakout. If it trades past 28,850, yes, you can buy there. 28,920, 29,000 levels should be a good resistance, and then we may be looking at 29,150 levels. Directional movement is still bearish. It is trading with divergence. Stochastic is oversold. It can look forward to a bounce back. The MACD is still bearish. RSI bouncing back from the bottom. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts. See two greener candles and a breakout candle. Remember, it is this candle lower highs and it is still trying to trade or break or close in red. If the next candle opens below and it trades below 28,700, rather you can take a sell position at 28,750 itself and expect 28,700 as a major support. Below that, certainly it will call for 28,600 levels and below levels. On the upside, if you see it trading past 28,850, certainly it will call for a bullish move. The directional movement on the 3-hour charts is still bearish. Stochastic oversold. The MACD is still bearish. It is trading with divergence, and the RSI at bottom. Likewise on the 4-hour chart, similar is the story. You have to be alert for 28,850 levels. You can buy there only. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic oversold. The MACD is still bearish and RSI is divergent. So see only the stochastic, which is indicating that it is still oversold. And look at the Bollinger Bands on the daily charts. It is, the width is far away. 28,000 is the bottom, and yes, if you see it trading below 28,750, certainly we can expect 28,700, 600 as a support. Below that, it may try to call for a very good drop till towards 28,500 and below levels. Directional movement is still bearish. Stochastic oversold. The MACD is bearish. The RSI is oversold. Considering this for the day, buy at 28,850. Do not think of trading below 850 levels. Yes, buy at 28,850. Expect 28,920, 28,950 and 29,000 as the major resistance. Beyond that, it may try to hit 29,150 levels today itself. And on the downside, sell there at 28,750. Expect 28,700 is the major support, 28,600 is the next support, and below that 28,520, 28,510 levels should be seen. Do not trade between 28,750 to 850 levels. I am repeating it again. And above and below, still you have to trade with a strict trailing stop loss, such that in case of a reversal at any point of time, your trade closes in profit, and then if you see it trading in your direction again, you can take a retrade or you can re-enter. So take your positions accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my Telegram signals group, join my Patreon page. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day, trading week ahead. Thank you.